Hi, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about a simple way that we can work together to make society better. We must always remember that every person is important. It doesn't matter if we know a person or he is total stranger. Every person is somebody's mother, father, sister, or brother. We must never look away when we see someone suffer. We must never feel another person doesn't matter. We must never say, it's to my father. We should act help unconditionally. If we want to live together in harmony, we must learn to treat every single person as our own mother, father, sister, or brother. This is the way to truly make our society better. Thank you for listening.